Order of operation in arithmetic expressions containing only multiplications and division. Multiplication and division have the same order of priority. This means that, when arithmetic expressions only contain multiplications and divisions, the operations are completed from left to right regardless of the type of operation that comes first. Let's consider a couple of examples. Example: calculate the value of the following arithmetic expressions. A. 8 times 3 divided by 6 times 5 divided by 10 equals B. 21 divided by 7 times 10 divided by 6 times 4 equals. Solution: A. Since the expression contains only multiplications and divisions, we start doing the operations from left and work to the right, as the following shows on screen. B. Again, the expression contains only multiplications and divisions. Hence, we start doing the operations from left and work to the right. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 1.4.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.4.3, expressions containing additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.